Hello friend, today we are studying Culture in Tanks part number 1st by Rohini Sudhakar Chauhan, NES Science College Nanded, BSc first year, paper number 3, unit number 1st. Outline: Introduction on a tank aquarium, tank design and construction, shape of tank, seasonal aquaculture tank. Tank can be manufactured from a variety of materials such as wood, concrete, metal, plastic, polyethylene, PVC, fiberglass, etc. An infinite number of shapes and sizes suit the specific need of species and farming operation. Recommendation characteristic of aquaculture tank as follows. The interior surface should be smooth to prevent the abrasion, and the surface should be non-toxic. Tank should be durable and portable. Should be have long life, easy to clean, easy to sterilize. It should be non-cohesive, affordable. Tanks are commonly used for fry production as a temporary holding facility for fingerlings brood stock. Food fish are ready for a sale. Aquarium fish production. A public display aquarium. A tank RU become popular especially for a intensive production of a system and catfish farming. The tank culture has become more attractive because of the following factor. Tanks are used for in aquarium research. The ponds require relatively large land area compared to the tank system. Experimental parameters are more easily controlled the tank than the pond. The tanks are made in a large number by manufacturer using a different material. Tank design and construction are shown in figure. Material use: tanks are made up of wood, concrete, plastic, fiberglass, metal or glasses. Wooden tank: they are cheap, light in weight, easy to work with, and plywood may be used. Do not use treated wood because it may toxic to fish. All the surface should be painted to protect the wood. Do not use a paint that have lead to this wood leach into the water. The interior of the tank should be converted with a non-toxic material such as epoxy or a fiberglass resin paint. They cure in about 2 days, forming a hard and smooth surface. Waterproof lining may be used in a wooden tank. Concrete tank. These figures show the concrete tank. Concrete tank used for a large tank in a pool. Tanks can be also made up of from a gonti, which is a strong, durable, compact, and more expensive than the liners. Plastic tank. Figures show the plastic tank. Plastic tank: polyethylene, polypropylene, polyethylene, polybutylene, polyvinyl chloride, acrylic and vinyl. Each one has its own bad and good qualities. Advantages of plastic tank include the following. It is lightweight, portable, repair are easier, can be made in a various shape size. Most are non-toxic. Fiberglass is mostly chosen for aquarium culture for a tank construction because they are following factor. It is lightweight, strong, durable, inert, can be withstand with the effect of UV rays. Shape of the tank. Circular tank. Commonly used. They are circular, rectangular, square and oval shaped tanks. First we are studying the circular tank. Commonly used in nursing and growing purpose, also used. Have a better hydraulic character. The self-cleaning action and oxygen distribution of circular tank hold a specific advantages. The velocity circulation of tank will be cause a better mixing of oxygen, food distribution, uniform water quality, higher stock density. Square and rectangular tank. Advantages of efficient use of shape. Contribute to the saving construction cost. Disadvantages: that waste tend to collect in a corner. Corner square are a rectangular tank, therefore often round or improve the hydraulics and flow pattern. Oval tank. There are afford to combine the advantages of circular tank and rectangular tank. Efficient water use, self-cleaning action, and a circular tank. The specific space efficiency of rectangular tank, and found intensive indoor and outdoor system where advanced aeration technology is applied. Water inlet. Control water and flow rate, liter per second, velocity centimeter per second of water. The design must be allowed to maintain the flow and pattern of maintain the itself cleaning action, minimize the risk of blockage, and when used underground and lowly saturated water sources. The inlet can also be designed and facilitated with aeration of the inlet water, though used in a jet difference. The adequate diameter of the inlet pipe should be maintained. Here show the inlet water clear water, and the liquid side and solid side accessory lids. Maintain the proper balance between the velocity and flow pattern, the self-cleaning function of the fish, and energy required for the fish. Velocity need to be adopted according to the species and size of a fish. Water outlet and flow pattern. Flow pattern are function with a water inlet and outlet design. The water outlet must be also be proven to regular operation depth of a tank. Tank bottom drainage. Flat and conical bottom can be used. This sloping bottom are more efficient to remove the waste in rectangular. The adequate velocity are required to maintain self-cleaning in a flat bottom tank. The flat skin can be used with a disadvantage of limited surface area and efficiently for cleaning. Mesh size ensure that no fish can be escaped, though the waste must be allowed though, and the diameter drain pipe should be large enough and facilitate a quick drainage. Advantages of tank system: efficient use of space, efficient use of water, low maintenance, good self-cleaning action, good visibility, flexible of design, flexibility of application. Thank you.